myself Anuja Deshmukh, and today I am going to give auto review on Royal Enfield Taurus. So first we will discuss some brief information about the Royal Enfield Taurus. In case you never knew, Royal Enfield used to sell diesel powered bullet motorcycles in India, also known as the Royal Enfield Taurus. The rare bullet variant was sold between 1980s and 2000. Today, we don't see the Royal Enfield Taurus that often. However, the diesel bullet is still living its age in rural areas and vintage motorcycle garages. Here are some facts about the one and only diesel motorcycle ever sold in India, that is the Royal Enfield Taurus. The Royal Enfield Taurus was the first and the last diesel motorcycle in India, while many others were sold abroad. But the Royal Enfield Taurus was the highest selling diesel motorcycle in the entire world. In fact, no other brand thought about making a mass production diesel motorcycle as seriously as the Royal Enfield did. When it comes to fuel economy, Royal Enfield motorcycles may not be the best choice. However, things were different for the Taurus. The Royal Enfield Taurus had a claimed mileage of above 85 km per liter. In addition to this, diesel was available at half price of petrol back then. Now let's see some technical specifications. Type: 4-stroke air-cooled engine. Fuel used: high-speed diesel. Number of cylinders: 1. Stroke: 68 mm. Cylinder capacity: 325 cc. Compression ratio: 18:1. Engine output: 6.5 bhp at the rate 3600 rpm. Maximum torque: 1.48 kg-meter at the rate 2500 rpm. Idling speed: 1000 rpm. Maximum number load speed is 3950 rpm. Lubrication is pressure lubrication. Air filter type is weight. Starting type is Kickstarter. Clutch is weight multiplate. Plates are 4. Transmission is 4-speed gearbox. Now, let's talk about the engine technology. Working principle of 4-stroke diesel engines. In our track machines, 4-stroke diesel engines are used. In 4-stroke diesel engines, one working cycle completes in 4-stroke of pistons or 2 revolutions of crankshaft. Working principle of 4-stroke diesel engine can be explained as follows. First process is suction. So first suction stroke. In suction stroke, suction or inlet valve is open. Piston moves from TDC to BDC and vacuum is created inside the engine cylinder. In this process, fresh air will enter inside the engine cylinder at atmospheric pressure. At the end of the suction inlet, valve is closed. Second is compression stroke. In this stroke, both the valves remain closed. Piston moves from BDC to TDC, compressing the air. Compression of air takes place according to the adiabatic process. In this process, pressure and temperature will increase gradually up to 28 bars and 5500 cc respectively. At the end of the compression stroke, fuel is injected through the injector in the combustion chamber. The third process is power stroke. The self-ignition temperature of diesel is 4400 C. The diesel in the combustion chamber burns and burning gases expands. The burning gases push down the piston from TDC to BDC. Thus, power is delivered at the crankshaft. Fourth process is exhaust stroke. Exhaust valve is open. Burn gases go out by self-pressure through the exhaust valve. Piston moves from BDC to TDC and pushes out the remaining gases. At the end of the stroke, exhaust valve gets closed.
I'm a Kanchan Surenshi. I have completed my mechanical engineering. So, as a mechanical engineer, I would like to say Old bullets have a many maintenance issue like oil leak, economy, etc. They were using CI and EVL engines. New bullets, on the other hand, is much better when compared to old ones. They don't leak oil in normal condition, better mileage, less vibration when compared to old ones, and above all, better build quality.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Ashish. I'm an engineer. Uh, today's topic we discuss on the Royal Enfield diesel motorcycle. Royal Enfield in India was the only manufacturer that built a diesel motorcycle in mass production in 1980s. This period is so difficult to produce mass level of production. Then Royal Enfield diesel bullet is highly performance, long lasting mileage, nearby to 100 kilometer in 1 liter diesel. It's a big performance activity, and Royal Enfield mostly used in defense because of off-roading, carrying lots of load, and geographical condition. The mostly the Royal Enfield truss used for the defense forces and uh, forest department also. Then it's the engine is 350 cc engine. It's highly powerful engine, and after the terrace active so much, that time farmers established so many lots of things mounted on diesel bullet, uh, like as the piston, sprayer machine, lifting pumps, submersible pumps, lots of things. So it's Royal Enfield bullets. It's really good, but some environmental norms for pollution and all, government of India banned this motorcycle. The history of Royal Enfield, it's highly powerful and highly performance and heavy duty powerful vehicle in Indian history.